Welcome everybody, we are in Milan at my plant and garden, and as you might hear, the party has started here because Flower Circus has arrived, and I'm going to show you around what's hot and happening at my plant and garden. Hall 8 is especially for the florist with a lot of flowers and decoration material, so we see a lot of local flowers as well. Look at this fantastic Ranunculus from this grower, they look amazing, but not only the Ranunculus, the Anemones here are beautiful. And of course the Dutch export companies are here as well, like van Plas. Look at these beautiful Dutch orange tulips. And dried flowers are still popular. As you can see, they are available in many different colors. It's amazing. The exhibition here is also famous for all the decoration materials. From this huge dog, I really love this, but also the vases. The Italian market is a big market for weddings, and that's what we can see in the decoration materials as well. This whole booth has vases, candles, everything you need for a fantastic wedding. I feel like Willy Wonka here in the chocolate factory. I mean, it looks like a fairy tale, but what a great stand. They even have animals here hanging. It's not really flowers, but what a decoration. Look, everything is moving here. Great Christmas decorations, and like I said, everything is moving. Can you imagine having this in front of your shop? How many people this will attract? And talking about decoration, Christmas is of course huge, so Christmas everywhere where you look. Pots, a lot of pots in all different sizes, from very small to huge size pots. Here we are in the booth of Barendsen, and as you can see, a beautiful stand by Marta Petroli. She made this really nice wedding design with a lot of roses, lysianthus, dianthus. And now I want to show you something really special, a floral project from a flower school. It is really something amazing. So come. Here something special has happened. We've got models, we've got table decorations. It's fantastic. Come on in. And of course there's a great photo moment here as well. So just jump in and make a beautiful picture. And this is something I always wanted to do on a flower exhibition, and it's gonna finally happen. And there we go. Woohoo! There are so many different pots, and look at this booth alone. So we have fruit pots with all different kinds of fruits, but also with heads. And I can even see an ear. So a lot of different decoration materials. And it's a vase as well. And of course, the mouth. Really beautiful how many different vases they have, how many different styles. It's amazing. Maybe this is one of my favorite booths. There are so many different things here at Ambroso. A lot of flowers, of course, but also, come here, beautiful vases on this side, beautiful vases on that side. 3D printed vases. They're watertight as well, so you can put flowers in it if you want. And there's more. Beautiful tulip-shaped vases. Big flowers over there. So it's really worthwhile to have a look in the stand. What's a flower exhibition without a stand of Oasis? Of course, that's not really a flower exhibition, but they did something really nice this time. Look at the back wall with all the different animals and the flower decorations on them. It's beautiful. So many impressions on the first day here at my plant and garden. Seen so many beautiful things. I mean, I'm full of emotions, but I'm also very tired. And that's why I think I'm going to follow the example of Santa. See you tomorrow.